Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Gilgamesh anime Vanguards new. First, you need to precisely identify the specific Gilgamesh card or product you are looking for. This involves researching its original release and any special product lines it might belong to. Understanding if it is still actively printed or a legacy item will guide your search significantly, helping you target the right sources for a new, pristine acquisition. Next, explore official card fight, Vanguard retailers and their online stores. These are your primary sources for new, sealed products. Search for sealed booster packs, full booster boxes, or even pre-constructed decks that might contain your desired Gilgamesh card. Always confirm the product's authenticity and ensure it is in brand new, unopened condition before completing any purchase to guarantee its pristine state. If official channels are exhausted, turn to reputable secondary marketplaces online. Look for sellers offering sealed products, ensuring they have strong reviews and clear return policies. Also, visit local game stores that specialize in trading card games. They often have a selection of older, sealed items. Remember that prices on the secondary market can fluctuate significantly due to rarity and current demand. Finally, here are some smart acquisition tips. Establish a clear budget and commit to it, especially when dealing with potentially rare items. Engaging with online communities dedicated to card fight. Vanguard can provide valuable insights and even lead to trade opportunities. Most importantly, always thoroughly verify the item's condition and authenticity, even if sealed, before finalizing your purchase to ensure you receive a genuine, new Gilgamesh Vanguard.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.